Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove BMW X3 boot cover. Start by folding the rear seats forward and lift the cover's free edge to find the release clips. Press each clip inward while supporting the cover to avoid sudden drops and slide the cover toward the tailgate once clips are disengaged. Lift the cover out carefully and store it flat to prevent bending or damage before reinstallation. With simple tools and a bit of patience, you can remove the boot cover safely and quickly. Clear the boot of cargo and recline seats as needed to access the cover rails and clips. Use a soft cloth for grip and avoid metal tools that might crack the trim or clips. Work one side at a time, applying steady pressure and gently wiggling stuck clips to free them without forcing. Reinstallation is the reverse of removal and should be done with care and a calm pace. Align the cover rails with the boot channels and slide the cover slowly until clips line up. Press each clip firmly until you hear a secure click, testing the fit as you go and returning seats to their original position. Operate the boot a few times to ensure nothing binds and the cover sits evenly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.